What's going on, guys? It's Purry. Process for profits, all service business, all success. Service business simplified. I'm a little bit faded. I just got back in. Went to a poetry slam tonight and had some good networking and conversation. And I wanted to talk to you guys about the number one free marketing tool that I am using right now. Some of you may have it for various purposes: news, weather, traffic, bus delays, school delays, cop problems. Me, I use it for business and marketing. It's the Nextdoor app. Yep, the Nextdoor app. It's where you can post on there if you have a business. And what I do is, I don't even post as a business. I post as a neighbor next door. Major tip. Pay attention to what I just said. You know, I am here to teach you guys how to do it for low or no money at all. The Nextdoor app is free. You guys are watching me on phones or computers. You've already paid for that. You've already invested in that. The data or the internet or the Wi-Fi, you've already paid for that. You've invested into that. So get on the Nextdoor app and let your neighbors know what service you offer. Now, right now, it's a good time to get in and get routine cleans. And I can let you guys know how to let them know. Hey, I'm looking to take on new clients. The new client book closes at the end of the year for routine cleans to ensure we have enough coverage for the new clients that we're taking on for the upcoming year. We primarily do post-construction cleans, but of course we like to add this into our repertoire to ensure we have cash flow throughout the year. Now, the last part, you don't got to tell them, but that's what you feel in your soul, to feel the confidence when you're going out there and you're making your posts. It's copywriting is what they call it. But when you're making your post, make it like it's your neighbor and you're trying to offer your neighbors a service. Major tip, man. That's tonight's tip from Purry. The Nextdoor app. Free marketing. It's not TikTok. It's not Facebook. But it connects you with people that's right next door. And if you pay attention to the app, you'll notice that the interior designers and the painters and the handyman and the light construction workers get a lot of work. Why? They do something at their house or at a friend's house or somebody's house that pays them. That person posts, hey, this guy did really good work, and I just want to let you guys know, at least 100 comments, at least 50 comments. If I'm lying, I'm flying. I want you guys to tap into your Nextdoor app and let me know if I'm telling you guys the truth or not. Because I know I am. I get on there and I post it. And I don't even post regularly, but I'm getting responses back from the post that I made. Shout out to the pup. But I'm getting responses back from the post that I made a month ago. So take it from me, the Nextdoor app is where you guys can post for free. I think Facebook is charging, Craigslist charge for certain posts. But again, those are free marketing avenues too. But to get local to your community, to offer your services, especially my painters, my pressure washers, my window cleaners, the Nextdoor app is the app you need to be on. From me to you, it's Purry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And I'm out.